certain field like quantity, order, unit price, right? That is also related to the item number and order number, right? Now total price. This total price is calculated field. If we talk about the freight here and total order value, these are the calculated field. Okay. So calculated columns, consider total price. It is calculated as the product of quantity and price. So hence it is called calculated column or also called derived column. Okay. A calculated column often violates third normal form. So you can say this guy is based on this 2, right? And this 2 guy is based on this. So this is a transitive dependency, right? It's violating, but we are keeping this calculated field for the sake of performance and all. Total price does not depend on the primary key directly, but only transitive through the quantity, order and price. Calculated column are removed to satisfy the third normal form. Instead, the value of the calculated column is calculated every time a row is accessed in the form of report. So if you're not introducing here and you want to generate the report on this, okay, so in the part of report here you have to do the calculation, that quantity into price, right? Always you have to keep calculating if you're not storing the total value here. So it will just enhance the performance of the reporting system if we're doing for this database. Okay. I have another example of third normal form. You can see here I have one client table, I have one owner table, and I have a property owner table. So there's one owner, owner number and owner name. Okay. Now there's one client or some clients are there having client number and client name. Now there's one property owner. So for property this, oh, this guy is owner and putting the rent this. For this property, this is the owner, right? So what is the owner name? I can get it from here, correct? And what is the property number and property address and rent? It is there. Now someone wants rent. So I'll go for who want rent. So client number we are taking from here, right? And then property, what property they are looking, when it has been started and when it has been finished. So we can easily make this one. Okay. So we can say these tables are 3NF. Now another important we have to understand here what that is the fourth normal form, or we can say it is a voice code normal form or BCNF. So in the BCNF we can say tables are in BCNF voice code normal form. This is a 2-person EF code and voice has made this normal form where he is saying that every determinant is a candidate key. So every fields are unique. Okay. So the difference between 3NF and BCNF is that for a functional dependency A to B, 3NF allows this dependency in a relation if B is a primary key attribute and A is not a candidate key. Whereas BCNF insists that for this dependency to remain in a relation, A must be candidate key. Okay. So that is the difference between the BCNF and third normal form. So for developing a database design, third normal form is enough to do.